Hi, I'm Gene DeMarco, and welcome to DeMarco's Catering and Gourmet Deli. My father opened up the business in 1975, and we've been a staple in the community for over 43 years now. Our customers trust us with a large variety of their needs, from artisan breads, handmade, catering, or anything they'll need for a last-minute get-together. We're one of the few businesses that I know in the area that still have a butcher on premise. You need anything specialty cut, we can get in a day. We get delivery 6 days a week. Everything is fresh. Anything you need, we can get for you. We have over 25, 30 varieties of breads, from stuffed breads, pepperoni bread being our most popular, to our artisan brick oven breads. And our rustic bread has taken off. Very dark, airy, dark crust, bitter, silky center. Very popular bread. And in addition to those products, we offer a wide variety of homemade soups and sauces and prepared meals ready to take home and eat. We make fresh mozzarella, and our homemade sauce is one of our newest things. We have a company who's jarring some of our sauces for us, and we're starting to distribute those locally. When a customer comes in to place their catering order, it's very easy. Sometimes we have customers who know exactly what they want, and sometimes they need a little help to what goes together or to make sure that they're choosing the right dishes. And we have a catering manager who's phenomenal. They can put any type of menu together, anywhere from a ladies' lunch up to a large event. We're big with barbecues now too, and pig roasts. So a lot of people don't realize that we do that. And once they suggest it or offer it, it's something different. We're very fortunate with the community that we live in, how they supported us for over the years, and we like to give back. Every year we do Aberdeen Day, which is a town-wide event. Ours has gotten so big over the years that we actually do our own in our parking lot. We have tent, classic car, a DJ, and we do everything for free. We do food tastings. A lot of my vendors who I supported over the years give back to us, and in turn we give back to the community. What I feel that makes us unique or stand out amongst anybody else is the service we give our customers. We have great relationships with customers, and I feel customer service is by far the most important thing. If the customer feels comfortable here and they are provided a good service with friendly people, and I have a great staff. If it wasn't for the staff, this business would not be what it is. No matter how big we get, we'll never leave that family mentality. There's always something new and exciting to see at DeMarco's. So if you're a regular customer, we look forward to seeing you again. And if you're new to the area, we invite you to stop on down, say hello, and see what we have to offer.